Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting review of the Skytech Chronos mini gaming computer PC desktop. This compact gaming powerhouse delivers impressive performance for gamers and creators alike. If you're on the hunt for a reliable, affordable, and stylish gaming PC, this might be the one for you. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link below to grab yours at the best price today. You don't want to miss out on this deal. Let's kick things off with performance. The Skytech Chronos Mini is powered by an Intel Core-i3 10100F processor, clocked at 3.6 GHz. While this is an entry-level processor, it packs enough power to handle modern games and multitasking with ease. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working, this CPU ensures smooth performance without bottlenecks. Pairing this processor is the NVIDIA GTX 1654GB graphics card. It's perfect for 1080p gaming, offering excellent frame rates on popular titles like Fortnite, Apex Legends, and Valorant. The GTX 1650 delivers smooth visuals and supports advanced rendering for crisp and detailed graphics. It's an excellent choice for gamers looking to enjoy AAA titles without breaking the bank. Storage and speed are covered by a 500GB SSD, which ensures lightning-fast boot times and quick game loading. With SSD technology, you can say goodbye to frustratingly long load screens. Plus, the 8GB DDR4 3000 MHz RAM keeps everything running smoothly, even when multitasking or running demanding applications. Now let's talk about design. The Skytech Chronos Mini is a sleek, black desktop featuring vibrant RGB fans that add a touch of personality to your gaming setup. The compact design is perfect for smaller spaces, yet it still offers plenty of airflow to keep the system cool during intense gaming sessions. It's a head-turner that fits seamlessly into any gaming setup. Connectivity is another strong point. With AC Wi-Fi, you get fast and reliable wireless connections for smooth online gaming and streaming. The system also comes pre-installed with Windows 10 Home, giving you access to all the latest features and updates right out of the box. One of the standout features of the Chronos Mini is its upgradability. The case provides easy access to components, making it a great choice for gamers who want to start small and build their system over time. Whether it's adding more RAM, upgrading the GPU, or expanding storage, this PC is designed to grow with your needs. To wrap it up, the Skytech Chronos Mini gaming PC offers a fantastic balance of performance, style, and affordability. From the reliable Intel processor and GTX 1650 graphics to the sleek design and fast storage, it's a great entry point for gamers or anyone needing a versatile desktop computer. Don't wait, click the link below to get yours today and elevate your gaming experience. Whether you're a casual gamer or looking to dive into the world of PC gaming, the Skytech Chronos Mini won't disappoint.